In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize your life with Google Calendar and make your calendar look aesthetic. We'll start by heading to the Google Calendar website. Once you're there, if you haven't signed in yet, click on the Sign In button. Enter your Google account credentials, both your email and password. Once you've successfully signed in, tap Next or press the Enter key on your keyboard. Now, let's set up your main calendars. You can do this by locating the Other Calendars section on the left side of the screen. Next to it, there's a plus icon. Click on it and then select Create New Calendar. Here, you will be thrusted into the creation phase. Enter details like the calendar name, description, and if you'd like, set the time zone. When you're satisfied with the information, hit Create Calendar. It's worth mentioning that you can assign different colors to each calendar. This is done by clicking on the three dots next to the calendar name and choosing color or creating a custom color. If you're aiming for a minimalist and soothing look, consider using pastel or softer tones. Once your calendars are set, it's time to start adding events. Click on any date and choose Event from the menu. Be sure to provide descriptive titles, and you can even add emojis for some visual flair and organization. These icons can make it easier to quickly identify what your event is about. Adopting the practice of time blocking can greatly improve productivity. You can allocate specific time slots for tasks or use the all-day setting for overarching goals. The ability to differentiate between detailed task time slots and more extensive goals can help create a balanced and structured day. Now, take advantage of Google Calendar's tasks and reminders features. These are conveniently located in the sidebar. By enabling them, you can keep all your to-dos neatly organized in one place. To add a task, simply click on Add a Task, type in the details, and set a schedule. Remember to click Done to save any changes. Don't forget about personalizing your Google Calendar view to fit your aesthetic preferences. You can adjust the layout by toggling between Schedule or Month view, whatever suits you best. Another useful piece of advice is to ensure that completed tasks can be shown or hidden according to your choice. By following these steps and allowing for customization, Google Calendar can become a powerful tool for organizing your life. You have the power to create a seamless blend of function and aesthetics, turning your calendar into a personal assistant that fits your style. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find your newly customized calendar both useful and beautiful.